What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Today we are going to be making turkey with some potatoes and vegetable. That is what we are going to be preparing today. Area Alpha, how that day? Okay, I want to make some little spices. Mix some spices together for this turkey. So this is aloro. I am putting all these arrosto. We call it arrosto. Some spices mixed together. Okay. All the spices in this world. Okay. How that day? Nutmeg. I am putting aloro. Then I am putting kana. A little bit of kana. I am putting paprika. Then I am putting zenzero. Ladini poi pasare aglio. Then I am putting black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna be using this noodle seasoning. Alright, then I will be adding some soya ingredients. Some soya ingredients is going inside. Okay, then with some oil, this is olive oil mixed with vegetable. Okay, then we have to mix. Guys, this is our turkey with the ingredients. I have to massage.